Hey guys, quick update. I just got these packs in. These are 100 amp hour cells. Took forever to get them in. And we're going to make a 16S 100 amp hour 48 volt lithium iron phosphate battery pack with this. So what I'm going to do is preliminary open these up. Check to see how they survived shipping from China. And for that fact, shipping through FedEx in the US side. I'm pretty sure the reason why it takes so long to get cells to the US is because they take a whole ton of orders in, and I'm sure that the groups put them all in a container and put them on a ship and send them over. And that's why it takes so long. Alright, pretty well packaged it looks like. Oh, wow. Opening this up, and the little sheathing on top seems to not been really attached very well. Let's look. Got some scratch marks on here. The heat shrink doesn't seem to be on. I'm not sure what to think about that. They're supposedly LiitoKala cells. So let me open another one and see if this is a consistent theme with these cells. Alright, this one looks cleaner. It looks like this was rewrapped because it looks like there's some leftover old heat shrink in there. Definitely some poor placement on the bottom thing, and if you look, this is definitely not, that's definitely not glued on. You can see that this box just got here. I'm wondering if these are grade B cells. Yeah, this one's definitely kind of in the same boat. You can see that they couldn't center it right. There appears to be some overlap of some old, and yeah, terminals look nice and clean for the most part. Got some weird, I guess that's glue all over the cell. If they used glue on this, it looks like there was a initial thing and then they just slapped another one over top of it. The glue isn't terribly good. It's not very sticky at all. You can see that peeled up. So that's been like that during shipping to get that crease in there. Yeah, I'm thinking these are grade B cells. Alright, I'm going to do a quick voltage test. Since these, came as they did. 3.021 for the first one. So the voltages are all coming in a little low. There's 2.99, 3.0, 3.25 for that one. So out of the ones I've tested, they've all come in a little lower than I'm used to. Normally, when these batteries came in, they came in at 3.2 in that area. Alright, so this is an addendum. So these cells, here, let's see if I can do that. They do not sit flush up against each other. If I push on the bottom, you can see that it feels like they're kind of slightly bulged a little bit. Let me see if I can put this on a tripod. Alright, it's got a tripod here. Look at this. I am pushing them together. Let me adjust the tripod. Alright, so I'm pushing them together. And there's still quite a bit of play. When you look at the cells behind over there, you can see they are flush, like right up against. But these, they are bulged, it looks like, in the middle and have a little bit of gap at the top of each. Let's see. Oops. Well, that was dumb. Anyways, I'll do my testing. Alright, so this is all I'm going to unbox for right now. They are all consistent. They all have the LiitoKala barcode. They also have a second barcode here. See if I can focus in on this. So I'll do some testing, see if these come out at rated, and then I'll get a pack built out. Kind of want to either use these to build a small pack for charging the electric car when I'm in an area that has very low accessibility to charging stations, or I will add it into my 48-volt battery bank. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And expect a quick video on tested capacities of these batteries.